Alright, the haunted house is up. A quick little tour. Pumpkins. They go in the trees. Sorry about all the wind. That's what you get when you live here. Graveyard. Walls. Let's hope the front door opens up without adjustment. We shall see. We have doorknob this year. Alright, door opens and shuts. Yay! The time walk-through. Casket. Stained glass window. And of course there's a phone call. There's our actor door. Comes with lovely creaking sound. Coffin. I wonder what's going in there. And the exit. Right. You can bring your food donation at any time. We'll have barrels out. And we're just finishing up supports, bracing, and then off to a kid's birthday party. So, fun times! I can't wait. And we'll be open on the 27th or 28th.